The Fleetminder system has a handy feature for vehicle maintenance scheduling, and that's built into the system for free. If you go down to the lower menu, go to admin, scroll to a maintenance schedule, pick a vehicle. In here we can see some that are already set for this vehicle. So we want tyres checked on distance, but we also want registration checked on time. So to create these, we go up here to the plus button, and then here we've got a selection. Or again, you can go to other, put your own name, free text. Then you decide how often you want it to come in, on distance or on days. Set your odometer readings up. In here, you've got a warning period. So you can get an alert based on, say, a month earlier or a week earlier or a day before, or 500 kilometers before it's due. Put the email address in. This might be your service guy, so you can make sure that he gets in all the parts he needs. Make sure he's got the oil filters and things. And then this field here we would use to send to the driver to make sure that they know to bring it in. Then hit save and you're done. You can also run a report on your servicing under analytics. Service history report. So if you was to run that over a set period, you have a vehicle history, service history on your vehicle for when you sell it. And again, PDF, Excel, Word, save it, email it, archive it, sell it. Sell the car with all that detail.